I am Odhiambo Paula Zoriga, the head School of Engineering. In the School of Engineering, we have Electrical Engineering Department, Mechanical Engineering Department, Automotive Engineering Department, Plumbing Department, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning. We also have Building and Civil Construction, Medical Engineering. In engineering, we have several examination bodies, of which CDACC being one of the major examination body in the school. For CDACC, we have level 4, 5, 6. For level 4, the entry grade is D- and below. For level 5, the entry grade is D+ and below. Then for level 6, the entry grade is C- and above. And again, we also have NITA, which NITA we take, the lowest level we take is a Class 8 certificate, and they can be able to come and get examined by NITA once they are through with their course period. And NITA, we normally have grade 3, 2, and 1 with all the grades going for 9. Again, why should we join engineering in Jordan? Engineering, we have hands-on, and we also have trainers who are competent. And we not only focus on theory classes, we also have practicals where after students have learned some skills in theory classes, they also come for the practicals so that they can be able to interact with what is really expected outside there. Because when you move outside there, what will you be expected to be doing? You'll be expected to do exactly what you're supposed to be practicing on. When you go for practicals, like now for the automotive, when you are repairing the cars, that is what you'll be doing there. So we make sure when you leave Jordan, then you can be able to do exactly what is expected by the person whose car has got some mechanical faults. So let me welcome all of you to Jordan College, and our take is currently loading. We expect all of you to come and welcome in the engineering department, where you'll be able to build your skills and shape your future.